Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Umlekara Aliyu from Recipe Box NG. In today's recipe, we'll be making this beautiful golden syrup, a sweet and slightly sour syrup that can be used in ice cream, cookies, cakes, fudgies, and a lot more. So let's get started. To start, we need to boil 2 cups of water. It doesn't have to boil, just get it really hot. Set that aside and reduce your stove to low heat. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Let the sugar melt and caramelize until it gives a very dark golden brown color. Then we add our hot water. Add a little first. Then pour in the rest and mix. Next, we add 1 cup of sugar. Mix until the sugar dissolves.
Diamonds in the sky, shades of pearl and green. Fire burning hearts in darkest place.
We let that simmer on low heat while we get some lemons. Squeeze out half a lemon and add into the mixture.
In a better time, feel alive. I found no way, we're past the lines where truth more life. Life is waiting on the other side. Follow me into the underground.
Mix and then let it cook until the quantity reduces to 2/3 of the original quantity. While you're here, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on anything I post. Also, do check out my recipes on some basic ingredients we use in the kitchen. I'll link the playlist down in the description box and in the comment section. Now check the consistency. It should be exactly like this. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Don't let your sugar cook any further than this or you'll turn into a body sugar wax or even a rocky hard sugar candy, which are both not bad, but we just want a golden syrup. Transfer it into a container and keep in the fridge for at least 2 hours to thicken. Our golden syrup is ready. I like to use mine on pancakes or waffles. If you are from northern part of Nigeria, you can use this for alkaki or dibla or a lot of things. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, share with your family and on your social media, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Down.